Digital marketer. In today's digital age, companies are constantly looking for new and innovative ways to reach their target audience. That's where VMware comes in. VMware is a virtualization and cloud computing software that has revolutionized the way companies approach digital marketing. Digital marketer. VMware allows companies to create virtual machines that can run multiple operating systems and applications on a single physical server. This can help companies save time, money, and resources by reducing the need for multiple physical servers. Digital marketer. By using VMware, companies can create virtual environments for testing and development, allowing them to make changes to their digital marketing strategies quickly and easily. This can lead to faster time to market and more effective campaigns. Digital marketer. With VMware, companies can also easily scale their digital marketing efforts up or down as needed. This is because virtual machines can be quickly and easily added or removed, making it easier to adjust to changes in the market. Digital marketer. Additionally, VMware offers a level of security and stability that is essential for businesses in today's digital landscape. By using VMware, companies can ensure that their digital marketing efforts are protected from potential cyber threats and that their systems are always running smoothly. Digital marketer. In conclusion, VMware is an essential tool for companies looking to stay ahead in the competitive world of digital marketing. With its ability to reduce costs, improve efficiency, and enhance security, VMware is an investment that is well worth it for any business looking to succeed in today's digital age.